In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner using ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted to make your channel stand out with a personalized, eye-catching banner, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this creative process and transform your channel's visual appeal. First things first, we'll want to get to Google. Open up your preferred web browser and enter google.com in the address bar. Once you've reached the main search page, it's time to type in ChatGPT into the search field. This is an essential step, as it will lead you to the versatile tool we'll use today. Now, you'll see search results appear. What we are looking for is the ChatGPT website. Go ahead and click on the official ChatGPT website link. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll find a text box or an input field, often prominently displayed. This is where the magic happens. You're going to use your creativity to compose a prompt that tells ChatGPT exactly what you need for your YouTube banner. Here's a suggestion for your prompt. You could type something like, "Create a photorealistic YouTube background for Laughing Land." Theme: rugged nature plus fire. Use earthy browns, greens, and vibrant orange/red for a warm, adventurous feel. The key here is to be as detailed as possible with the theme, colors, and overall emotion or feeling you want the banner to convey. This will guide ChatGPT in generating a concept that aligns with your vision. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, locate the Submit button. This is often situated right next to the input box. Give that button a click, and your prompt will be sent off to ChatGPT for processing. Now, while ChatGPT is known for its impressive text-based outputs, it's important to note that the platform will provide you with creative ideas or visual descriptions based on your prompt, which you can then use to guide the design of your banner. After receiving the inspiration or detailed descriptions from ChatGPT, you might want to use graphic software like Adobe Photoshop, Canva, or any other design tool you're comfortable with to bring the banner to life. The idea generated by ChatGPT serves as a foundational guide, giving you a starting point to create a visually striking banner that fits well with your channel's theme and audience. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a beautiful and unique YouTube banner using ChatGPT. This technology not only aids in stimulating your creativity, but also helps to visually communicate the essence of your YouTube channel, all tailored to your specific style and preferences. Remember, having an appealing banner can significantly enhance your channel's identity and attract more viewers. Happy creating!